What's up, y'all? We back. Another installment, another YouTube video. Um, yeah, man, let's jump into it. So this one is what is the best way to research your crypto coins? So I just want to bring y'all to CoinMarketCap. First and foremost, go to your search bar, CoinMarketCap.com. It's going to take you to my favorite place to take a look at coins. At the top right here, you have uh, your daily news and stuff, crypto report, um, all kind of stuff you can dig into. You know, doing your own research is very important when it comes to the crypto space. There's so many coins, so many new projects, so many scams. And you don't want to lose no money, so make sure you read up on these projects. Very, very important. I want you to very, very much read these projects, man. But all right, so CoinMarketCap, you go to the search bar at the top right, type in the coin that you want to look up. This is one that I'm checking out. Keep my eyes on this one, Star Atlas. Um, yeah, it's at 14 cents right now. All right, so once you come up to your coin, you can see how many people are watching the coin. It's got 249,000 people on the watch list. It's ranked 260. Here you can see the percentage is going up or down in the last 24 hours. Right here, you can get the market cap. All right, market cap right here. You see the I for information, the total market value of a crypto circulating supply. All right, you want to find that. You got fully diluted market cap. You got your volume, a measure of how much of a currency was traded in the last 24 hours. So here in the last 24 hours, $53 million worth of Star Atlas going crazy. That's pretty big, huh? All right, so here you got a chart. All right, and you can check out how much it moved in the past day, in the past 7 days. You got your goddamn. You got your 1 month chart. You can go all the way up to a year. You can go all since its conception. Big spike here, drop, kind of made a rise back up. I think it's gonna do the Dougie. And here at the bottom, you can see the volume. You know what I mean? As you can tell, when more people comes in, it tends to go up. Then up here, you can check the website. There's links to the website, communities. You know what I mean? Twitter, Reddit. You can read the white paper. Reading the white paper is very important. That's the number one thing you want to read when you diving into your crypto projects. Right here, give you a brief synopsis of what's going on. What is Star Atlas? If you're interested, take your time out, read through. Um, you know what I mean? Could also go to markets. Here you got historical data, project info. ICO is initial coin offering, like it's like an IPO when companies go from private to public on the stock market exchange. They drop an IPO, initial public offering, which you can buy into. Here you got social medias, ratings, accounts. So you go to market, and this will show you where you can find the coin at, where you can buy it. So all these are your exchanges, your sources. Gate.io, FTX, Radium. Those three will bang you out. You know what I mean? If a lot of times like FTX, I know people in the US can't use it. We can, FTX.us, but it's very limited to the coins that you could find. So you want to make sure that if you are looking at like FTX or Binance or these other exchanges that don't allow certain areas to visit them. You want to get to Proton Mail account. It's like an encrypted email account, and you also want to get a VPN and run those too, so that way you have access to those exchanges. All right, so that's CoinMarketCap. Keep that in your Rolodex. So this one is Missouri.io. Take y'all here. Now I like Missouri.io. It's very savvy. It gives you a lot of information. It's got a good charting system. It should pop up in a second right here. And Bitcoin making a run back up. Kind of consolidating. This called consolidation. When it's chopping sideways, it's not really breaking down. It's not really breaking out. It's just chopping. Usually when you got consolidation, you'll have a breakout. You know what I mean? You have a solid breakout, and then you'll reach a point of exhaustion. You see, after it breaks out, it gets exhausted, and it starts to come back down. The breakout comes down right here, big move up, gets exhausted a little bit, bounces, and makes its way back down. But yeah, so here you can find a lot of data. You can go to screeners, which is like a filter. You can filter out like prices, volume, um, probably like which sector, metaverse, DeFi, things like that. Charts explorers, explore hundreds of fundamental charts. Just cool. So here you got price, risk, a bunch of different things, volatility. So it kind of show you all kind of info, man. Just like the volatility of it. And volatility is, something that you want to pay attention to, especially, you know, come to find out with this kind of small crash that came yesterday. The VIX, the volatility index, was up almost 25% yesterday. And that played a big part because when the VIX, the volatility is up, the market tends to go down, which it was down. And seems to hold true for crypto in this instance. So we'll see how that pattern swings into another uh, circumstance with the crypto. You got your socials, your network activity, fees, exchanges. You get a lot of data here, mining, and this is dope. So then you got your research tab and go through all this research. It's a lot of reading, y'all. It's like a brand new language if you ain't up on it. So you want to make sure that you do the research, do the reading. I know reading is like a luxury, but it has to be done when it comes to crypto. You got to read. All right. You just got to be informed, man. Let's go back to the home page. And here you can see ROI, top assets. You know what I mean? Get all your info, man. Get all your coins. Stacks. Let's check this one. Give you all your key metrics, price, hour range. We're just moving between 212, 216. Here you got your ROIs, last hour, 24 hours, 7 day, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, 832%. Bang on them, man. That's what I'm talking about, man. You hold, you see some big gains, man. 1 year. It takes you 1 year to see this type of stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? Then you come down, you got your news. You know what I mean? Got your markets where you can find your coin. A lot of good data here. Got your summary. I just love the interface, man. When you're looking at things, the visual rhetoric has to be on point. And I'm very, Very surprised that the way this is laid out for us. You got your markets, metrics, historical data, charts, so much info, so much data for you. You know what I mean? Let's take advantage of this. And, take your time, learn how to read charts, and learn how to take the indicators into consideration. Trading view is good when you're just trying to chart some stuff out. I like to use Thinkorswim for my stocks. Um, but me, I just find a good entry point on these cryptos, man. And to me, this is like a retirement vehicle because I know in the next couple years, my portfolio is subject to go bananas, man. I'm just telling y'all, man. I'm heavily invested into the metaverse gaming coins. You know, they bring utility. They're gonna have some active users. It's big. It's the future. I'm in it. So yeah, this Missouriio, man. Check that out. So I want to take y'all to one more coin market cow. Just short for calendar. And here you will be able to see calendar evidence based and community driven. This will show you all type of up to date events, trending, significant, hot was hot, airdrops for snapshot. Nine Doc has 9 upcoming events. Okay, you got December 31st. Poker City is coming out. It's a metaverse game. Um, People use their own NFTs, and that's big because so much surrounding NFTs. And NFTs are ultimately going to be able to be used in the metaverse when people play these games. Same way like GTA, Grand Theft Auto, Roblox, Minecraft, all the old games that we've been playing, man. Call of Duties, no different. Everything's just up on the blockchain now. So, um, you got a listing. So you usually when there's something being listed, it'll run up 30, 40, 50%, might even go up into the thousands. It happens all the time. Moon Trust. It's a lot of projects, man. Guzzlers, things I ain't even heard of yet. So that's CoinMarketCow. So when you're doing your research and you're trying to figure out, man, what should I invest in? What coin should I get? Why? Look it up. Make sure you go to these coins websites. Look at who is the team. Look who is the CEO. Check their backgrounds. What kind of companies they used to run in. What kind of field they were in. Were they in banking? Were they already in games? You know what I'm saying? Did they, you know, just check them all out, man. See what's the road. Look at the roadmap, the timeline to see if it's still a project they're working on. What's the timeline? When are they dropping? What's the utility? How are they helping the ecosystem build? You know what I'm saying? Oh, wow. Crypto exchange Bitmark confirms hack result in a loss of 150. Oh my god. Sheesh. And that just confirms, man. Watch your keep shit, man. Get your crypto off these exchanges. Put them in a wallet. If you can, put them on the ledger. I know a lot of the coins I have 2 ledgers, and they don't even transfer to my ledgers. Hopefully, ledger. I need y'all to put my cryptos on there so I can get these coins off of here. But get you some wallets, man. I'm doing another video for wallets, how to open up wallets. I'm gonna go through all that and open some wallets up so y'all can see. So yeah, man, this is the way you research your coins. And once you do your due diligence, your homework, your research, you feel confident in purchasing a coin, feel like you want to hold it. Now it's cool to trade crypto. Take your gains on the way up. Don't be crazy. But if you're holding, you're investing long term, don't even trip. Just put your coins up. Check the market every once in a while, see what's going on, check the news. And I promise, man, a year from now, 18 months, you're going to see a big difference. Big return, especially right now while it's still early. Get in. Get you at, man. Kalepoteet. Um, Check out my website, www.kalepoteet.com. KALEIPOTEAT. Check out my blogs. Um, Keep some fire news on there for you. Check me out on subscribe to the YouTube channel if you ain't already. Comment below, like, share. Make sure you get this out here. If you know somebody that's not up on crypto that need to be up on the wave, man, put them on the channel. I got the info for you guys, man. I'm trying to help y'all. Take this to the next level, man. There's 4 categories. You could be an employee, you could be self-employed. You know what I mean? You ultimately, at the end of the day, you want to be an investor. You want to learn how to invest your money, have your money breathing, have it alive, have it working for you. You know what I'm saying? So that way you don't have to work so hard. You know, a lot of times people try to understand, well, what should I invest in? Why? You got to do your homework. You got to read. And when you find out you got a good feeling about something, go ahead and put your money up. Don't be afraid, because the bank, you say you put your money in the bank. Bank gonna take that money. If it's in a savings account, CD, whatever, you're just holding it in there. Bank gonna take your money that's in the bank and invest your money, whether it's in forex, foreign exchange, and then give you a small percentage off of that. So why not do it yourself? Why not take your money and invest it yourself so that you can get the maximum? Why? Just gotta ask yourself. So think about that next time you just try to stockpile a lot of money into a savings account or a bank account. Put it in a brokerage account. Go to Fidelity. If you're on the crypto, open you a stock account. It's good to diversify. Good to own stocks, shares, and companies too. Put some money in a brokerage account. Let that work for you. Just sitting in the bank account, it's not going to do anything. So if you don't believe me, just look it up. Go to Wikipedia, go to YouTube, ask questions, call financial advisor, call the bank, ask ask them. So all right, y'all, I'm checking out. Stay tuned for the next video. Let's get up on it, man. Stay tapped in, stay wrapped in.